am Wen Guo. Welcome to my new listing, 506 43rd Avenue, San Francisco. This is a beautiful 4-bedroom, 3-bathroom Sutro Height home with charming facade and great curb appeal. 大家好，欢迎来到我们的新房源，旧金山43號街506號獨棟屋。呢間屋啊，4房3衛，大方市正，大家一齊嚟睇下啦。Gracious entry, bright and airy open floor plan of living, dining, and kitchen. 2 French door open to partial ocean view. Marble fireplace and crown molding. Updated kitchen features brand new stainless steel appliances, granite countertop with full backsplash, and modern European cabinets. 开放式格局，流畅自然。廚房現代清新，全新家電，現代得嚟又貴氣。陽台仲有海景啊！Updated hardwood floor, recessed ceiling light, and freshly painted wall all throughout. Abundant of natural light flow in from 5 beautiful skylights. Upper level features 3 bedroom and 2 bathrooms. Master suite has jet spa bath too. 全木地板，全新油漆，5個天窗，好光猛㗎。The meticulous lower level has family room with 1 bedroom, 1 bath, and 2-car garage. Tasteful and functional tatami floor in bedroom, walk-in closet, and a nice updated full bath. 樓下1廳1房1衛2車庫，格局合理。仲有榻榻米嘅地板，真係好特別啊！Large terraced backyard awaiting for your gardening ideas. New plumbing, new insulation for downstairs, new furnace, double pane window. Too many to list. Walking distance to Land's End, Sutro Bath, Cliff House, and Ocean Beach. Close to Geary and Balboa corridor for easy transportation, shopping, and restaurants. 附近啊，都是世界級的旅行景點，朋友來了一定會特別讚賞。散步就行到天涯海角，森林同海灘真係難得啊！一定要過嚟睇下啦！Come and take a look!